viewers on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today I got for you all Surker with the model number SK309. So this clipper got 8 watts, 5 hours charging time, and from this 5 hours charging time you get 180 minutes operating time. So not ears on the back, see that? So nothing else. And I bought this clipper from Amazon. The first time I bought Surker hair clipper from Amazon, the box also looks the same, and the one I bought was white color with LCD display here, big LCD display, and I guess it was also SK309C or something like that, you know, but this one without C. So let's open it up, man, see what they got for us inside. So how many watts? 2000 milliamp battery. Okay. Charging time 5 hours and 3 hours operating time. Okay, that's it. That's all I need. And this is the manual. You got a comb, charging cable, you got the oil, and you got the guards. So this one, okay. And this is the clipper. So just take a good look. Charging port, the power button, the lever, and got fade blade, and the fade blade is somehow a little bit too sharp. Somehow, I'm not talking about the cutting blade, I'm talking about this blade here, a little bit too sharp. So I don't know. And the cutting blade, it's also sharp. Okay, this is it with a score. See that? Just like Wall Magic clip. So let's make some sound check. With other China brand, if you want to turn it on, you need to press it down. You know, the power button is down, but this one is up, you know. I don't know if maybe it cuts good or not, but I will try to go to barber shop and test this clipper out, if it's good or not. And this is the highest I can zero gap. It's not possible to zero gap it, you know. But when I change the bracket, because I changed this bracket before, you know, then I was able to zero gap it. it's not possible to zero gap the stock bracket. But with the stock bracket, this is how much I can zero gap. You see that?
So